Welcome to Be Tech Ninja, your journey from novice to ninja in tech. This is the second installment of my series on question and answer segment based on different technologies. Today, I will be covering 10 questions on Salesforce administration. I will also be sharing some pro tips around those questions, so please stay tuned till now if you don't wish to miss anything. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel to be Tech Ninja in your tech journey. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps organizations manage their sales, service, marketing, and other business operations. A pro tip to get an edge over other candidates: emphasize the cloud-based nature of Salesforce and its focus on providing a comprehensive CRM platform. Mention any recent updates or features that showcase your up-to-date knowledge. Subscribe to my channel for more such pro tips. Let's move on to the next question. What is a Salesforce administrator's role? A Salesforce administrator is responsible for configuring and maintaining the Salesforce platform. This includes managing users, creating and customizing objects, fields, and page layouts, setting up automation, and ensuring data security. A pro tip to stand out in the interview: highlight your understanding of the administrator's responsibility in configuring and maintaining Salesforce. Discuss your experience in managing users, security settings, and optimizing the platform for your organization's needs. I hope you will remember this tip. Let's see the next question. What is the role of a profile in Salesforce? A profile in Salesforce defines what a user can do within the application. It controls permissions such as object and field level access, page layouts, and record types. This is what you can do. Score some extra points during the interview. Provide specific examples of how you've used profiles to control user access and permissions in your previous roles. Discuss best practices for profile management and how profiles contribute to a secure Salesforce environment. If you want a practical example from me, then please comment down below. Moving on, the next question in the list. Explain the difference between a role and a profile. A profile controls what a user can do, while a role defines the hierarchy and access levels within an organization. Roles are often used in conjunction with sharing rules to determine record access. Do this to grab the interviewer's attention. Clarify the distinction between the hierarchical nature of roles and the permission-based nature of profiles. Use real-world scenarios to illustrate how roles and profiles work together to manage user access effectively. Let's move on to the next question. What is a record type in Salesforce? A record type is a way to categorize and customize records within an object. It allows different page layouts, pick list values, and business processes to be associated with different record types. Here's a bonus tip for you. Share examples of how you've used record types to customize user experiences based on different business requirements. Discuss scenarios where record types were instrumental in implementing diverse processes within the same object. I hope you are getting along well with this video. If you have suggestions, then please drop a comment down below. The next question is, how can you ensure data security in Salesforce? Data security in Salesforce is maintained through features like profiles, roles, sharing rules, and permission sets. It's important to set up proper access controls to ensure that users can only access the data they need. Follow this tip to score brownie point during the interview. Discuss a comprehensive approach to data security, including the use of profiles, roles, sharing rules, and permission sets. Provide examples of how you've implemented these measures to meet specific security needs in your previous roles. Subscribe to my channel if you want to become pro with Salesforce administration. Let's move on to the next question. What is the role of Workflow Rules and Process Builder in Salesforce? Workflow Rules and Process Builder are tools for automating standard internal procedures to save time across your org. Workflow is generally used for simple tasks, while Process Builder allows for more complex processes with multiple criteria and actions. A quick tip to ace the interview: differentiate between Workflow Rules and Process Builder by explaining when to use each tool based on complexity. Provide examples of automation scenarios you've implemented, emphasizing the efficiency gained through automation. Let's move on to the next question. Explain the difference between a lookup relationship and a master-detail relationship. In a lookup relationship, records can exist without a parent record, and deleting a parent record does not delete the child record. In a master-detail relationship, the child record is a detail of the master, and deleting the master record automatically deletes the related detail records. Follow this tip to make an impact on the interviewer. Illustrate the impact of each relationship type on data structure and integrity. Share experiences where choosing one relationship type over the other was crucial for meeting specific business requirements. We are getting closer to the end of this video. I hope you are getting some helpful insights here. Comment down below your thoughts. Let's see, what do we have as the next question. What is the Salesforce App Exchange? The Salesforce App Exchange is an online marketplace where Salesforce users can find, download, and install third-party applications to enhance and extend Salesforce functionality. I bet if you apply this tip, your chances of moving into the next round of the interview will increase. Demonstrate your awareness of the broader Salesforce ecosystem by mentioning specific apps or integrations you've used or are familiar with. Discuss the value of leveraging AppExchange for extending Salesforce functionality and solving unique business challenges. Finally, we are here. The last question awaits us. Let's take a look. How do you import data into Salesforce? Data can be imported into Salesforce using tools like Data Import Wizard, Data Loader, or by using third-party integration tools. It's essential to follow best practices and ensure data quality during the import process. Save this pro tip, it will serve as the cherry on the top with regards to this question. Demonstrate your awareness of the broader Salesforce ecosystem by mentioning specific apps or integrations you've used or are familiar with. Discuss the value of leveraging AppExchange for extending Salesforce functionality and solving unique business challenges. This was it from my 10 questions and answers series on Salesforce administration. I picked up some random questions and tried answering them. Do let me know which part you liked most. Is there anything that I missed? Comment below if you have any requests and suggestions. Thank you for your time today. Subscribe now to Be Tech Ninja with me.